Here they are again. I guess, they thirsty, so I'm giving them some water. Thirsty chickens. Thirsty chickens. If there was music put to this, it might be neat. Yeah, you thirsty. Thirsty, thirsty. Aw, you cute little things. And I think that they're cute, even though people think chickens are funny and ugly and whatever. Even the one that don't have no, it's called a, I forget what it's called, the one that don't have no feathers on its neck. That's a breed. All I know is Corey, rescued it because it almost got run over by a car, and he rescued that chicken, and he's a good guy. So they're all happy chickens. Yeah, they're thirsty. And I've got some cat food, and I've been feeding them, so it's not like, you know, they'll be okay. Yes. Yeah. Cute little things you are. Cute little things. Alright. That's it. You got your 5 minutes of fame.